Alright folks, let's talk about something super important. See, an emergency fund. If you're a young adult like me, this is a must-have. So, here's how to build that emergency fund fast. First, set a goal. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. That might sound like a lot, but trust me, you can do it. Step 1, track your expenses. Know where your money is going. Use apps like Mint or YNAB. Every dollar counts. Next, cut out non-essentials. Do you really need that daily latte? Channel that money into your emergency fund instead. Step 3, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a separate savings account. Out of sight, out of mind. Now let's talk about side hustles. Got a skill? Use it. Freelance, tutor, or even drive for a rideshare app. Extra income can boost your fund quickly. Another tip, sell stuff you don't need. Have a garage sale or use apps like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Turn clutter into cash. Lastly, keep it separate. Your emergency fund should be in an account you don't touch unless it's a real emergency. No exceptions. And there you have it, folks. Building an emergency fund isn't just for adults with families, it's for everyone. Start today and secure your financial future. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances. Thanks for watching.